Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add guarantee badge in your Shopify checkout. So, for example, if you need to show something like this, a badges like this, you'll be able to do after watching this full video, right? So, for this, you need first is you should be on Shopify Plus. Shopify Plus merchants only can edit the shop checkout pages, right? So for we are using the app called Checkout Ninja from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description and in the first comment. So after installing the app, you'll be on the app home screen. You can click on Create Advanced Block. Right, so already made one of the block, but I'll create it once more. So create a new checkout block. So I'm giving it guarantee badge. So if you need any rules, you can make rules. If you don't have any rules, we don't need to add any rules. Then click on add new block. From the drop down, you can select the image one, right? And you can give the source. So for your easiness, what I did is I made a Figma file where you can edit your logo and you can make it your brand name, right? So I'm attaching this also in the description of this video. So once you made it and once you download it, you can go to your, for example, you can go to your product pages. So basically go to content and files. You can add that image to here and you can copy this link, then go back to the checkout ninja page and make it add this link and make this active and save. So after this, you will get a block ID. You can copy the block ID, open the checkout editor. Then you can add a custom block to checkout and save it. Right. So when the custom block is added, you can scroll down where you need it. So mostly people are putting over here. So we can remove this one. This is not needed. And you can save it. So this is how you can easily add a guarantee badges in your Shopify checkout. So one thing should be in mind, you should be on Shopify Plus to add the checkout guarantee badges. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.